In this video, we will show you how to hibernate on Windows 11. In here, we will show you how to hibernate on Windows 11 22H2 and Windows 11 23H2. In here, for the older Windows 11, like Windows 11 22H2, the hibernate mode is very easy. You can see there is 22H2 version of Windows 11, and you can see the hibernate configuration on the control panel. Okay, I will open the control panel again in here and select system and security and select change what the power button do. Okay, and you can see here the hibernate is support for the system. Okay, so you can enable this by clicking change settings that are currently available. You can see here, after you click this, the hibernate will show on the power button. As you can see here, there is restart, shutdown, and sleep, no hibernate. Okay, we can enable by ticking this and click save change. And in here, you can see here the hibernate is already appear on your shutdown menu, and you can hibernate your Windows 11 easily. And this is for Windows 11 22H2. Now the question is how it works on Windows 11 23H2, that this version is newest of Windows 11. And this is my Windows 11 23H2. The build is 23585 in here. You can see here on the bottom right corner. And if you don't see the hibernate on the power button, you can see sleep also not available in here. And this is because two reasons. One, your system is not support to hibernate or sleep. And the second reason, your system is support but the hibernate or sleep is not enabled. Okay, to checking this case, I will step again. Okay, you can using this command using power cf key space / available sleep state. We can see, okay, the hibernate and the sleep is support or not. We can run as administrator like on the Windows 11 22H2. Okay, we can hit the enter after type this command. Okay, the system firmware does not support standby state and does not support the hibernation, but we can try to bypass or force the hibernation in here using power gf key space / hibernate is on. If this can show the hibernate menu, your Windows 11 can operate hibernate mode. But if cannot, this means your system cannot using hibernate. We can try. Okay, the following items are preventing hibernation on the system. Okay, the system firmware does not support hibernation, and this is the reason your system is not support the hibernation. So we can enable hibernation on our Windows 11 23H2. Because I'm using virtual machine in here, you can using this command. Okay, power cf key space / available sleep states and power cf key space / hibernate on your Windows if you're using the real devices. And that's all tutorial how to hibernate on Windows 11 and how to turn on force on your Windows 11 for hibernation mode. Hope this video helpful for you.